G6PD deficiency affects millions globally. It's a genetic disorder passed through families. It makes red blood cells fragile. This can lead to hemolytic anemia. Symptoms include fatigue and paleness. Early diagnosis is crucial. With awareness, individuals can lead fulfilling lives. Simple lifestyle adjustments make a difference. Knowledge is power. Let's delve a bit deeper into what G6PD actually does in our bodies. G6PD stands for glucose-6-phosphate dehydrogenase. It's an enzyme, a type of protein that helps spark important chemical reactions within our cells. Think of enzymes as tiny workers that keep our bodies running smoothly. G6PD plays a crucial role in protecting red blood cells from damage. It does this by helping to produce a substance that counteracts harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are like little troublemakers that can damage cells, including red blood cells. Now imagine what happens when there's not enough G6PD. Without enough of this protective enzyme, red blood cells become vulnerable to damage from free radicals. This damage can cause the red blood cells to break down prematurely, leading to hemolytic anemia. This breakdown process is particularly concerning because red blood cells are vital for carrying oxygen throughout the body. When they break down too quickly, it can lead to a shortage of oxygen, resulting in fatigue, shortness of breath, and other health complications. G6PD deficiency is passed down through families in a pattern called X-linked recessive inheritance. To simplify, we have two special chromosomes that determine our biological sex, XX for females and XY for males. The gene responsible for producing the G6PD enzyme is located on the X chromosome. Females inherit two X chromosomes, one from each parent. If a female inherits one X chromosome with the G6PD deficiency gene, and one normal X chromosome, she is considered a carrier. Carriers typically don't experience symptoms but can pass the gene on to their children. Males, on the other hand, inherit one X chromosome from their mother and one Y chromosome from their father. If a male inherits the X chromosome with the G6PD deficiency gene, he will develop the condition. This is why G6PD deficiency is more common in males than in females. The prevalence of G6PD deficiency varies across different populations worldwide. It is more common in people of African, Asian, Mediterranean, and Middle Eastern descent. In some regions, the condition can affect up to 20% of the population. Living with G6PD deficiency requires awareness and proactive management. The key is to avoid triggers that can lead to red blood cell breakdown. These triggers can vary from person to person, but some common culprits include certain foods, medications, and infections. Fava beans, for example, contain substances that can be particularly harmful to individuals with G6PD deficiency. Other potential food triggers include certain anti-malarial medications, aspirin, and some antibiotics. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional about specific medications to avoid. Infections, such as viral or bacterial illnesses, can also trigger red blood cell breakdown in people with G6PD deficiency. This is because infections can cause oxidative stress, which overwhelms the body's ability to protect red blood cells without enough G6PD. Managing G6PD deficiency involves a combination of awareness, avoidance of triggers, and prompt medical attention when needed. Individuals with this condition are often advised to carry a medical identification card or bracelet to alert healthcare providers in case of emergencies.